If you smell what the Lucian is cooking. Welcome to Lucian in the Kitchen, in collaboration with Platinum Diamond Supreme Media for all your live streaming events. Welcome to Lucian in the Kitchen. Stay tuned. Today we are gonna be cooking something very nice. We're gonna be cooking some kingfish, already marinated overnight, ready to go. You know, some potato, some ripe plantain, you don't know, scotch bonnet, thyme, mixed seasoning, you know, onion, tomato, scallion, thyme, you know, garlic. We're gonna make it a one pot. Oh, with some dumpling, but I need it yet. I didn't need it yet. Dumpling coming soon with some dumpling. Yeah, water already boiling. You see that? Steaming. We're ready to go. Coming soon. Just stay tuned, follow me, and learn something new today. Okay? This is already prepared. This is ready to go. But now we gotta do the dumpling. You know, just regular white flour dumpling. But in here we have salt and sugar. But you gotta get the right ratio, salt and sugar in here, to make it like kind of sweet and salty in a way, but not salty. You know, add the water. Not a lot of water because the dumpling have to be hard. You can't make no soft dumpling. You dig? You know, mix it up nice. Mix it up nice. Don't forget to always wash your hand too, man. Always wash your hand when you're cooking, you know. Especially in this COVID time, you gotta wash your hand. Wash your hand. You see my hand nice and clean. Look at that. Clean. No jewelry. Well, I got a bracelet on, but you know. Nice and clean. Mix a little water. You know. Can't put too much water right away because it's gonna be too soft. Too soft, you're gonna make it like my producer. This guy make a bunch of soft dumpling, I heard. You know, have to be hard. Put some muscles in it. You see, it's coming along already. Look at that. Look at that. You see that? It's coming. Make it nice and firm. You know, a little wawa to get the rest. To put the muscles in it, you know, you can't make no soft dumpling, you have to make the dumpling hard. Fais ça casser down. Yeah guys, as you can see, dumpling, I'm not gonna make dumpling a really shape. I'm not gonna make it that big. I'm gonna cut it up small, but you know, preparation. See, dumpling done. You know, you gotta add some carrot, you know, because we're doing a one pot, like the song say. First I a one pot, epi carrot. You know, I don't like big chunk carrot in there, so I'm gonna grate the carrot so it just melt in there, you know. Don't mind I'm not using a bowl, I just don't want to dirty a lot of stuff. First I one pot, every carrot. You have to put carrot in the one pot. You get enough cocoa tea to know how to grate carrot. You don't have to know grate carrot if you don't drink grate the cocoa tea. You know how to grate coconut, you have to grate carrot. You see that? And boom. Carrot done. Don't waste it, don't waste it. We're not wasting nothing. Now what? Now you see, now everything is ready. Dumpling ready, fish ready, provision ready, seasoning ready, carrot ready, water's bubbling, water's ready. So we're gonna add our green seasoning and tomato mix. Oh shit. You see that? Look at that. Okay, we have our seasoning mix in there for now. That boil for a bit. At our thyme. And break the branches, you know. At our thyme, we have celery in there too. We have parsley, you know. And the carrot. First I have one pot. Epi carrot, you know. One pot must have carrot. You know, stir that up for a bit. Remember, we didn't put no seasoning in yet, you know, because all the seasoning is in the fish. All the seasoning in the fish. We're gonna use some all-purpose. And I'm trying this for the first time with ginger. Oh, this is the first time I'm making this meal too. I never made this meal before. This is the first time. Alright. Let that boil. Let that boil and do its thing. And we just wait. Yeah, guys. You see? Everything boiling. Everything boiled up already, you know. Boiled up, steamed up. You know. I feel it's time to add our this is time. Add our potato and this Irish potato and ripe plantain. It's ripe. See it? Ripe plantain. Ripe plantain. Mix it in there. Mix it in there to boil up. Let that boil for a bit. You know, step by step by step. Okay? We did the green seasoning. Now we did the carrot. You know? Now we did the potato and ripe plantain. Next is the fish, the dumpling. Yep, look at that. Look at that boiling. Look at that boiling. Look at that boiling. Time to add the dumplings. Now you see it was big. This is why it was big. We gotta cut it. See that? Small dumpling. Just pick it up and put it in your mouth. You have to bite it and bite it and bite it. Dumpling season. Remember, guys, this is the first time I'm making this meal. Ripe plantain in a one pot with some kingfish and dumplings. Alright, let me get a little stir so the dumpling don't stay one place. You know. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna add my hot pepper in there right away. Scotch bonnet. Put some heat in there. See that? My dumpling hard. Look at that. You see that? Hard. You can still see it's dry in there. You see that? Hard dumpling. That one was soft. You know? Stir it up. Stir the one pot. Stir it up. Big up yourself, Bob. You just have to stir it up. Now me, I like to test my food. So you see the potato been in there for a while. I'm gonna check if the potato already almost cooked. I forgot to do that. You see? Almost there. So you know, we have to go step by step because these things take longer to cook. And the fish, we just wanna like steam it. So we're gonna put the fish in last. I like to stir it up so you know everything well mixed in there. Stay tuned. Keep watching. You're gonna learn something. Alright? When you're cooking, you know, you gotta be clean. Make sure you're clean, you know. Can't be cooking and everything dirty. Don't mind my old videos, huh? I was fresh. I was new, but you see, you have to stay clean. All right. Now that the dumpling and stuff is in there, you gotta lower the heat because the dumpling might go down and stick to the bottom. There's no seasoning in there, only the green seasoning, fresh seasoning only. So I'm gonna give it a little taste, you know, see what's happening. I'll up, so I'll show you. Tastes fresh. Fresh. Now we're gonna add the fish. The real flavor with the seasoning. See that? Kingfish. And is the best part of the kingfish, the tail. See that? Nice big tail. Oh shit, they're gonna see. Oh, fuck it. I'm off. What's on this spoon? I'm cooking for myself, guys. See that? And also we have extra seasoning in here too. I will lay our fish in. Add the extra seasoning. It's COVID-19, man. You gotta eat fresh and healthy stuff. We gotta keep our immune system strong. It's winter time too, so it's cold out there. We need something hot going down our stomach. You dig? Look at that. Look at that. Our fish is in there. Our seasoning in there. Let's give it a little light stir. You know, a little light stir. Look at that. Look at that. Fishy up. First I add one pot. Epic carrot. Yep. Let that boil for a while. Let that boil. Now it is time for our seasoning. I already tasted it, so I know it needs seasoning. I'm gonna put some, you know, allspice. And of course, remember I said before, ginger seasoning. Maggi ginger. No, we are not making tea. We are making a one pot with carrot. I'm gonna put one for now and see how it tastes. But we're gonna put a little bit of Chinese 5 spice, you know. I'm gonna just pour that one. I'm gonna measure that one out. I'm gonna put a lot. I'm gonna put, you know what? That's not enough. I'm gonna put quarter spoon Chinese 5 spice. Build our flavor as we go along. Give it a little mixy. Little mix, you know. You always gotta mix it because you don't want the dumpling to stick to the bottom. The fish might mash a bit, but that's okay. It's a one pot. Too bad there's no green banana. I didn't want green banana. I just wanted, you know, lots of gravy and less food on a big piece of fish. See that? All that in there. Coming soon, guys. We are bubbling. So I added some more seasoning. I added an extra bag of seasoning, you know, to get the flavor I want. I'm satisfied with the flavor I have right now, you know. So we're just gonna check it out and see what's happening. If the potato is cooked. See that? Nice soft potato. You want like a dumpling? Let me find a dumpling. The dumpling. See that? Hard dumpling. You see that go bounce all up. You see that? Hard dumpling. See that? You're almost there, man. I think the fish is cooked already. Look, plantain already cooked. Plantain was ripe. Yeah. Alright? Almost there, guys. We are almost there. My guinea pig's gonna eat it soon for you guys to see. We have reached. We have finally landed. It is ready. Look at that. It is ready. See that? It is ready. It looks like it's pumpkin, but it's carrot. You know? It's ready. It is ready. Come closer. Come, they gotta see this, bro. They have to see this. Look. We got dumpling. Ripe plantain. Irish. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Scallion, thyme. Look at the thyme. Look, rich gravy. Look at that. And of course, the star of the show, the kingfish. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. I hope you guys like what you saw. I hope you guys try it at home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Lucian in the kitchen.